This is the original ZEBLAZE GTS 3 smartwatch. Got lots of capabilities, do not disturb, overall beautiful levels of brightness. You can get super bright and all the way down dim. You've got power savings mode, Bluetooth calling capabilities, and lots of settings as well. Systems, power off, you name it. All things that you typically find, including ability to set your display brightness, sleep time, the different watch faces where you can change to whatever one you'd like to, including custom faces that you can install yourself. When you go through it, you've got a heart rate section, show you your current maximum and minimum heart rates, your data throughout the day, and last 7 days data. You've got blue oxygen measurement, and it uses the green diode technology on this one rather than the red for blood oxygen. You've got blood pressure information in here and basic information as you slide through it, your last 7 days records. Here's last night's sleep time information. The overall chart shows you where you were at different times during the night, and then stress. It'll measure that for you as well, and of course give you highs and lows as it goes through that. You've got weather in your area, Fahrenheit or centigrade, and you can look at your activities like step count, calories burned, exercises, with charts showing you your numbers of steps throughout the day, and also your overall last 7 days records. Really, really nice implementation there. When you slide off to the side, you get basic information on a card with time and weather and other things. Slide one more time, and now you're into your app drawer where you get into all of the things we just saw, including more like all of your different exercises, walking, running, cycling, those things. All of your measurements we just took, remote shutter, the music player. You've got a relaxation, whether you're stressed or falling asleep, that can help you. Your AI voice, which is Siri or Google, that will speak right out of here when you're Bluetooth tethered to your phone. Games are in this one, a simple little 2048 game, and of course all your overall settings. It's lightweight. Basic, simple build, very inexpensive, and it's the basic ZEBLAZE GTS 3. Check it out.